Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we have to discuss question number 33. Let us see what question number 33 tells us. Let's see. Abdul travels 300 km by train and 200 km by taxi by 5 hours, taking 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Abdul travel 300 kilometers by train. Okay. And 200 km by taxi, taking 5 hours and 30 minutes together. Okay. But if they travels 260 km by train and 240 km by taxi, it takes 6 minutes longer. Means 5 hours 36 minutes. Okay. Find the speed of the train and the depth of the taxi. Okay, let us see solution of this question. So, first of all, you have to assume let the speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour and the speed of taxi, that is equal to y kilometer per hour. First of all, you have to assume it. Again, by figure you assume that you understand that suppose this one the A point and this one the B point. From A to B, that is equal to 300 kilometer. This is the travel by train. Okay, and from B to C, okay, suppose B to C 200 kilometer. Okay, 200 kilometer by taxi. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. Again, we already assumed that the speed of the train that is equal to x kilometer per hour and the distance already given. So you can find out the t1, that the time taken with the train. Okay, the t1 becomes s by v, that is the displacement or distance by speed. Okay, distance that is equal to 300 and the speed that already you assumed that x. So t1 becomes 300 upon x. Okay, again from B to C, the t2 becomes 200 upon the speed, that is the speed of the taxi. We have assumed that y. So t1 plus t2, already we know that 5 hours 30 minutes. So by adding it according to question, we know that t1 plus t2 equal to becomes 5 hours plus 30 divided by 60 hours. Okay, because 30 minutes, so convert the 30 minutes into the hours. Okay, again 0 cancel out, 3 to the 6, t1 plus t1 that is equal to 300 upon x plus t2 that is equal to 200 upon y equal to 5 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, 5 plus 1 upon 2 hours. Okay, and after solving it, you know that 300 upon x equal to plus 200 upon y, and this will becomes 11 upon 2, 5 to the 10 plus 11 upon 2. Okay, this will gives us an equation, that is equation number 1. Okay, this one the first part of the question. Okay, in second part of the question, let us see in second part of the question what the question tells us. From A to B, okay, from A to B in question, in the second part, it takes 260 kilometer. Okay, 260 kilometer by train. Okay, this one by train, and from B to C, it takes how much distance, that is equal to 240 kilometer by taxi. Okay, so we know that already we assume that the speed by train that is equal to x kilometer per hour. So t1 is becomes distance by speed, distance equal to 260 upon speed that is equal to x. So t1 becomes 260 upon x. In the second part, t2 that is equal to 240 upon y. Okay, 240 upon y, 260 upon x. Okay, according to questions, in the same manner, according to question, t1 plus t2 equal to how much? 5 hours 36 minutes, because 5 hours plus 36 minutes. Okay, so after dividing by 60, you will convert into the hours. Okay, 6 minutes longer means 5 hours 36 minutes. Okay, so after adding it, 260 by x, 260 upon x plus t2, that is 240 upon y equal to how much? 6 is 36, 6 1 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. Okay, this one becomes 5 plus 3 upon this one becomes 5 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, and again this implies that 260 upon x plus 240 upon y and equal to 5 5 ja 25 plus 3, that is 28 upon 5, and this will gives an equation that is equal to equation number 2. Okay, again if you assume that 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v, then what will happen? This will becomes how much? 300 u, and this one becomes 300 u plus, and this one becomes how much? 200 v and equal to 11 upon 2. Okay, after solving it 2 3 ja 6, that is 600 u plus 2 2 ja 400 v equal to 11, and this will gives an equation number 3. Okay, in the same way here also 260 1 upon x, that is equal to u 260 u plus 240 v and equal to 28 upon 5. Okay, this one 1 upon x, that is u 260 u 240 v 28 by 5. Okay, after solving it 5 6 ja 30. Okay, 0 carry 3, 5 to the 10 3 13, and there is a 0, it is u plus 5 4 ja 20, carry 2, 5 4 ja 20, carry 2, 5 to the 10 to 12, and there is a 0. Okay, equal to 28. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. Okay, this one v. Okay, this one u and this one v, and it will becomes 28. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. This one the equation number 4. Okay, after getting the equation number 3 and 4, you can calculate the value of u and v. Okay, if you multiply in equation number 3 by 13. Okay, if you multiply the equation number 3 by 13, and if you multiply the equation number 4 by 6, okay, this one becomes 7800 and this one also becomes 7800. Okay, after multiplying this one, let us see here. Okay, 13 you multiply by 13, you get 13 6 ja 7800 u plus 13 4 ja 5200 v. Okay, and this one becomes 13 1 ja 13, carry 1, 13 1 ja 13 plus 1, that is 14. Okay, this one becomes how much? 143. Okay, again if you multiply by 28 into if you multiply by 6 into 13, you get 7800 u, and 12 6 ja 7200 v and equal to 6 8 ja 48, carry 8 carry 4, and 6 2 ja 12 4 16, 6 8 ja 48. Okay, after it you subtract it, this will cancel out and this will becomes 0 0, 2 minus 2, that is also be 0, 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2, and this will in minus sign. Okay, and here 8 minus 3, that is 5, and 6 minus 4, that is 2, and it will minus sign. Okay, 8 minus 3 5, 6 minus 4 2. Okay, and minus sign becomes plus, and this one v, if you cancel out to find out the v becomes how much? 2500 divided by 2000. Okay, 25 directly cancel out by 8 times 25 8 ja 200. Okay, it will becomes how much? V will becomes 1 upon 80. Okay, V will becomes how much? 1 upon 80. So if you put the value of v in 1, putting the value of v in equation number 3 or 4, okay, we put 3, here 600 u plus 400 into v, the value of v, that is equal to 1 upon 80 equal to 11, 0 0, oh okay, 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40, that is equal to 11, okay, this one equal to 11, okay, and 600 u equal to 11 minus 5, okay, this one 5 on the 5 go and becomes 6, becomes minus 5, okay, then u equal to 6 upon 600, okay, 6 1 ja 6, and this is the value gives u equal to 1 upon 100, okay. I think up to which it is clear, v equal to 1 upon 80 and u equal to 1 upon 100, and we have to find out the value of x and y. So as you assume 1 upon x equal to u, you put here 1 upon x, okay, 1 upon x equal to, that is value of 1 upon u, 1 upon 100, okay, 1 upon x equal to u, then 1 upon 100, then from here x equal to 100 kilometer per hour. We assume it is the speed of the train, the speed of the train x kilometer per hour, that is 100 kilometer per hour, and again 1 upon y equal to how much, that is equal to v, that is 1 upon y equal to 80, and it becomes y equal to 80 kilometer per hour. I think you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.